Here's how to customize the action button given on the left edge of your iPhone 16. This is my iPhone 16 Pro, but follow the same steps on any iPhone 16 series model and iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the Action button. Now here's a list of shortcuts we can see on the Action button. If you don't want to set any action, then set it to none. As per your quick interactions with your iPhone, you can set Silent Mode Focus. Select Default Focus from the drop-down menu from here. Next is Camera. Set default camera actions like Capture Photo, Selfie, Video, Portrait, and Portrait Selfie as default mode when we open the camera using the Action button. Next is the flashlight. We can quickly turn on the flashlight from the side button without touching the screen and turn it off in the same way. Other customizations for the Action button are Voice Memo, Recognize Music, Translate, and accessibility settings like this. By default, Apple gives Silent Mode to switch between silent and ring for calls and alerts. Select here and go back to apply the changes. Hold the button until you feel haptic and switch between silent and ring mode. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Also share which shortcut would you like to set for Action button in the comment box. To be helpful to others, don't forget to share and like this video. Also, subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.